Hello friends, in today's video we're gonna be installing the pipe connections for the shower bar mixer and for the electric shower. Um, the height we have chosen is about 130 centimeter from ground to where the mixer bar is gonna get connected, and just made sure that the pipes are all leveled.
Okay. Thank you.
We're using compression fit uh, connectors. Just gonna apply some PTFE tape. So for the hot water we're just using elbow compression, and for the cold water we are using a T, which will feed the bar mixer as well as the electric shower. Just gonna make sure that it's all nicely leveled. As you can see, it is. Now we're gonna do some more pipe work for the electric shower. We are using Triton electric shower. Just gonna mark the area where the shower is gonna get connected. Just gonna get the rough idea where to take the pipes. Just mark the area where the pipe's gonna be. Now I'm gonna that's the marking I'm doing. So I'm just gonna drill some holes for the pipe clips to secure the pipe. Ball plugs to go in. You can use speed fit connectors, but I preferred compression fitting. This is the back plate for the mixer bar. This back plate is gonna get connected to the wooden battens for the stud wall. Some more PTFE tape. I always use PTFE tape for the compression, just to make sure, just for my peace of mind, because sometimes they start leaking. Some more clips for the pipe. We're gonna be using 4x2 battens for the stud wall, so the pipe should stick out a bit. There you go. That's I've done the connection for the mixer bar, and then a connection for the electric shower. Okay, so the mixer bar is gonna get connected to the back plate here. Okay, so this is the back plate for the mixer bar. You got the hot water and cold water, and we are feeding the electric shower with the cold water. Okay, so I've done the connection here, and the reason of this is just a template. There's going to be a stud ball here to cover all these pipes, and the stud ball, when we finish the stud ball, Okay, so these are the buttons we're gonna use. Okay, then you got the thickness of the plasterboard and then the thickness of the tiles. So this is the perfect template I've made. So the stud wall buttons, okay, and then the plasterboard thickness and the thickness of the tile. So if you can see here, this is the perfect fitting for the electric shower, and obviously the shower is going to get connected by the electrician, so he's going to connect the electric. This is dead at the moment, it's not live at the moment, so he's going to get connected here like this. Okay, thank you very much for watching the video.